The daily situation is nothing more than the information gathering each firefighter takes on at the beginning of a fire day. This presentation will suggest which of the information you're collecting is important to your assessment of expected fire behavior. It will also show how you can document your findings on the assessment worksheet. The daily situation box on the worksheet at the top, right below the incident name, your name, and the date and time of your assessment. Notice that the daily situation is divided between a reference observation section and a forecast section. You should recognize this as part of the daily situation assessment you already do. Every day in the morning, you're reading weather forecasts, you're talking to those who know about the fire situation, you may be checking out the FWI codes and indices from the RAWs in your area, and noting how they relate to pocket card interpretations. In the reference observation section, note yesterday's significant weather and fire observations. You might even consider a day from earlier in the week that you think might be similar to what is forecasted. Include the daily FFMC, BUI, and ISI from that day as a reference to compare your forecast with. In the forecast section, note significant weather elements: winds, temperatures, RH, cloud cover, chance of precipitation, and timing of any changes from the forecast. Include the forecasted daily FFMC, BUI, and ISI. And when you get your assignment, you're gathering photos and maps, reviewing situation reports, and talking to those that know about your fire. Make sure you have the most current forecast for your fire area and that you can get updates as they come available. There are forecasts for FFMC, BUI, and ISI for tomorrow as well as today. Make sure you have those as well. Will there be a big change tomorrow that affects your actions today? Pocket card information can help you interpret the forecasted FWI codes and indices. Knowing how much different today is from normal conditions can tell your story too. Again, you'll need the daily FFMC, BUI, and ISI for fire behavior assessments once you get in the field. Make sure you note them on your worksheet. Yesterday's values will help you see how big a change is in the forecast. The forecast values will make your fire behavior assessments go much quicker. Once you get your assignment, you want to know where your fire is and what's around it. One of the reasons is to see what fuels might be burning and how terrain may be affecting it. Maps and photos, along with a view from a good vantage point, are key. Talk to those who can help you. If you know what the question is that you need to ask, you can get the most from the person who is briefing you. Hopefully, there are fire behavior reports for you to note. This chart on the inside front cover of your FBP field guide can help the observer be accurate in their fire behavior report. Ask them to pick one or two of these categories when they give you their report. These categories can help them make sense of what they observed and what it means to them. The daily situation is nothing more than what you begin each fire day doing. Understand what has happened on your fire yesterday and in the past. Ensure that you get and understand the weather and FWI forecasts for today and the near future. Stay updated on the situation and the forecast throughout your assignment. There are other presentations that can help you understand the FBP assessment process. Consider viewing them when you have time. Thank you.